I know where he's going. Hi.
Gage is like, I got this.
You're missing out.
Wait a minute, there was something in there?
You're missing out, man. Go get it. Go get it. Get it. Don't get the dirty floor. Move the present temper. Here, I'll open that. Go open your present. Open.
Oh, that's what the girls at work have.
With the walker?
Mm-hmm. It's like one of their favorite things.
Get the terrible paper.